Welcome. We are doing exercise 7.1, question number 7. Okay. In that question, we want to find out the coordinates of a point which lies on x-axis, and that point is equidistant from these 2 points. Okay. So let us see the properties of the coordinates of the points which lies on x-axis. Okay. Here I have drawn a rough figure of a Cartesian plane. Look at the point A. The point A is, what are the coordinates of the point A here? Point A is 2, x is 2 and y is 0. Okay. Then point D, x is 4 and y is 0. And point B, x is -1 and y is 0. And point C, x is -3 and y is 0. That means on x-axis all y coordinates are 0. Okay, so we can say that the point lies on x-axis is x0. Okay, the point lies on x-axis is x0, and give a name for that point. That point is P. Okay, and these 2 points are A and B, and given that the point P is equidistant from these 2 points. Okay, so we can say that PA is equal to PB. That is given to us, and the question is to find out the coordinates of the point P. That means we should find out the value of x here. Okay, use distance formula to do that. Okay, look here, AP and BP are equal, that is given to us. Then using distance formula, AP is equal to AP, that means x minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus -5 the whole square. That means you substitute these values in the formula. Okay, and BP is equal to x minus -2 the whole square plus 0 minus 9 the whole square. Okay, that means you will get x minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus -5 is plus 5, that is 5 square. This is x minus -2 is x plus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 9 is -9, that is -9 square. Look here, we want to find out the value of x. Okay, and that x is under root. Okay, root in അകത്താണ് x ഉള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ആ എക്സിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ യു ഹാവ് ടു റിമൂവ് ദ റൂട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ഹൗ വിൽ യു റിമൂവ് ദ റൂട്ട്? യു ഷുഡ് സ്ക്വയർ ബോത്ത് LHS ആൻഡ് RHS. എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് ആ റൂട്ട് ഒന്ന് മാറിക്കിട്ടുള്ളൂ. ഇവിടെ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ AP ഇസിക്കൽ BP കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് AP സ്ക്വയർ ഇസിക്കൽ BP സ്ക്വയർ എന്ന് എഴുതിയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഈ റൂട്ട് ഇവിടെയേ വേണ്ട റൂട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എല്ലാം ചെയ്യുക. അതായത് ഈ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഫോർമുലയിൽ അകത്ത്, അതായത് റൂട്ടിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് ഏതെങ്കിലും വാല്യൂസ് നമുക്ക് എക്സ് കോർഡിനേറ്റോ വൈ കോർഡിനേറ്റോ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ഈ റൂട്ടിനെ നമ്മൾ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യണം. അത് ഇവിടുന്ന് നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. AP ഇസിക്കലി BP എന്ന് എഴുതിയിട്ട് ഇവിടെ AP സ്ക്വയർ ഇസിക്കലി BP സ്ക്വയർ എന്ന് എഴുതി ഈ റൂട്ട് ഇവിടുന്ന് ഇല്ലാതെ എഴുതി നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ, ലുക്ക് ഹിയർ, squaring both sides, then you will get x minus 2 the whole square plus 5 square is equal to x plus 2 the whole square plus -9 square. Here we are using a minus b the whole square form. That means you will get this x square minus 4x plus 4. Then 5 square is 25. Here also a plus b the whole square form. That means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then -9 square is plus 81. Okay, now simplify these two LHS and RHS. Now look here, this x square and this x square get cancelled, plus 4. Here also 4 is there, that also get cancelled. Then minus 4x, take this 4x to this side. That means that also becomes minus 4x is equal to 81, and take this 25 to that side. That means 81 minus 25. That means minus 8x is equal to 56. X is equal to 56 by -8, that is equal to -7. So that means the value of x is -7. This is -7. So the coordinates of P is -7 and 0. Okay. In question number 8, given 2 points P and Q and their coordinates are also given to us, and we want to find out the y coordinate of the point Q, and the distance between these P and Q are also given. So you can use distance formula here. Given that PQ is equal to 10 units, then PQ, using distance formula, you will get P is 2, negative 3, Q 10y, then x1, y1, x2, y2. Substitute these values in the distance formula, then you will get 10 minus 2 the whole square, that means x2 minus x1, 10 minus 2 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1, that y2 is y. Here y1 is negative 3, that means y2 minus y1 is y minus minus 3, that is y, change the sign of this number and add, that means y plus 3. Okay, here y plus 3 the whole square is equal to 10. Then you will get 8 square is 64, then this is a plus b the whole square form. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then here a square y square plus 2 into y into 3, that means 6y plus 3 square, that is 9. Y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 10. That is y square plus 6y, 64 plus 9 is 73, is equal to 10. Here you can see the variable y is under root, so you should square both sides. Then you will get y square plus 6y minus 27 is equal to 0. That means this is a quadratic equation. So you should solve this quadratic equation using splitting the middle term. Here the product part is minus 27 and the sum part is plus 6. So you should find out the numbers satisfying those conditions. Here product is minus 27, sum 6, so the numbers be 9 and negative 3. Okay, 9 into negative 3 is negative 27 and 9 plus negative 3 is 6. So you split this 6y into plus 9y minus 3y. Okay. Then in these two terms, y is a common factor. Take y outside, then you will get y plus 9 inside. And put negative sign here. In these two terms, 3 is a common factor. So you will get y. So negative 3 we have taken as a common factor. So here you will get plus 9. Okay. Then in these two terms, y plus 9 is a common factor. So you take y plus 9 outside. Then here inside you will get y minus 3. Okay. This means y plus 9 is equal to 0 or y minus 3 is equal to 0. That means y is equal to 0 minus 9, that is negative 9. Or y is equal to 0 plus 3, that is y is equal to 3. So y is equal to negative 9 and y is equal to 3 are two values here. Question number 9. In this question we want to find out the coordinates of R, that means this x coordinate, were given that QP and QR are equal. That means the point P and R are equidistant from the point Q. Okay, here also you can apply distance formula. Now look here, QP and QR are equal, that is given to us QP x2 minus x1, 5 minus 0, the whole square plus y2 minus y1, that means minus 3 minus 1 the whole square. What is minus 3 minus 1? Minus 3 minus 1 is, change the sign of this number and add, that means minus 4 plus root of this is x minus 0, here x2 minus x1, that means x minus 0 the whole square plus 6 minus 6 minus 1 the whole square. That means you will get root of 5 square plus negative 4 square is equal to root of x square plus 5 square. 25 plus 16 is equal to x square plus 25. Now square both sides. In the number square because here we want to find out the value of x, that is under root. Okay. അത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനാണ് നമ്മൾ സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമുക്ക് നോക്കൂ, റൂട്ട് ഓഫ് എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് 25 സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഈ റൂട്ട് അങ്ങ് നീങ്ങിപ്പോകും. അല്ലാതെ ഇനി ഇതിനെ വീണ്ടും എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് 25 സ്ക്വയർ എന്നൊന്നും എഴുതരുത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് 25. സോ ക്യാൻസൽ ദീസ് ടു 25s. ദെൻ എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു to 16. That means x is equal to root 16. X is equal to plus root of 16 is plus 4 or negative 4. So the value of x is plus 4 or negative 4. That means the point R is 4, 6 or negative 4, 6. Now the next question is you have to find out the distance of QR and PR. So using distance formula, using these coordinates, you can find out the value of QR and PR. Okay, QR R ഈ രണ്ട് വാല്യൂ കൊടുക്കണം. ആദ്യം R ഈ വാല്യൂ കൊടുത്തിട്ട് QR കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ this value you give, then find out QR. Similarly, for PR also you give two values for, first you give this value, then find out PR, then again give this value, then find out PR. Okay. In question number 10, given that this point is equidistant from these 2 points. Okay, and the question is to find the relation between x and y. Okay, here you give names for these points. This is P, Q, R. Okay. Now given that PQ and PR are equal, so we can apply distance formula. Okay. Look here, QP and RP are equal. Then QP, x2 minus x1, that means x minus minus 3 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, that means y minus 4 the whole square is equal to RP, this is x2 y2, this is x1 y1, here x2 minus x1, that means x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square. Then x minus minus 3 is x plus 3. Okay, x plus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square is equal to root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square. Here you should remove the root, so square both sides, then you will get x plus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square is equal to x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square. Here you can apply a plus b the whole square form, then you will get x square plus 6x plus 9, this a minus b the whole square form, then you will get like this. Okay, here a minus b the whole square, here also a minus b the whole square. Now this x square and x square get cancelled, y square and y square get cancelled, this 9 and this 9. Then 6x, take this minus 6x to this side, that means plus 6x. Then 6x plus 6x minus 8y, then take this minus 12y to this side, that means plus 12y is equal to 36 minus 16. Okay, then you will get 12x plus 4y is equal to 20. Here 4 is a common factor, take 4 outside, then you will get 3x plus y is equal to 20, that means 3x plus y is equal to 20 divided by 4, that is 5. This is the relation between x and y. Or you can write 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, that is also correct. Okay, 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0.